Morning guys, how we all doing? You might hear that I sound a bit croaky. I have got a stinking cold and I've got a whacking spot coming up on my head. So yeah, great start to the week already. But yeah, I am taking you guys along on what will be my last week of the year, just to show you what we've got to get done in there. So they're going to be short snippets of every day of the week. So I thought it would sound a bit different to bring you guys along on. I have, you might notice that you're in a different position to where you normally are. You're normally dead on in front of me here, but you're over to the side, and that's because I've got a new camera and a new mic set up. So the audio and visuals should be much better, and you should be tracking me as well. So I've got the DJI Pocket 3 with the DJI mic on it. So this should be really clear. You shouldn't have any problems hearing me or anything. So hopefully, thumbs up, because I know we've had a few problems with the GoPro that I had. I did have a the Rode wireless mics, but that was such a faff to sort out and put on and all the rest of it. And ultimately, I can be a bit lazy at times. Do you know what I mean? So anyway, I'm going to take you over to the first job. We're going to be here for a few days actually. We've got a couple of other little jobs to sneak in as well, but we're going to be here for a few days. I don't think, no, you guys haven't actually been on this job at all, but I fitted the kitchen here and I've done all the second fix carpentry here, to be honest. I don't know why I haven't brought you guys along on this one, but it's been a bit manic the last few weeks, let's put it that way, or months even, just trying to get everything done before the end of the year so we can start fresh. But we've got 8 doors to hang over here, only lightweights, so that's all good. And we've got to build some alcove units and shelves. So we've got 3 days here, I reckon, just to button everything up. I did fit the kitchen, and I've got the worktops being installed over there, quartz worktops, by a friend of mine, Martin. So we're going to give him a hand lifting stuff in and all that. So I'll try and get some video of that as well, because I think that should be quite interesting for you guys to see the worktops going in on this job, and I'll try and give you a good walk around. To be honest, I'm not sure if the family are moving in today, tomorrow, what's happening. So like I said, I'll keep you guys all updated anyway, and yeah, we're just going to do a week of what I'm up to for the last week of the year, just to mix things up a little bit. Do you know what I mean? Why not? Let's give it a go. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling now, because I've been rambling for close to 3 minutes now. So we'll go over to the job, and then I'll give you guys a little walk around. See you over there. Morning guys, welcome back. So yesterday we got 7 of the doors on. It's now Tuesday morning, in case you ain't worked that out. The throat's not doing too well today, but I am feeling slightly better, even though I sound much worse. We just got to get them vocal cords working, that's all. So yeah, we've got 7 of the doors on yesterday, so we're going to go back today. We've got to do 1 more door, and then we've got to put some beading down some of the doors where you couldn't quite get a bit of architrave on there. We're just going to put some beading down there. We'll do that this morning, and then we're going to go away and we're going to go and buy some MDF and bits and pieces, so we can make a start on these alcove unit and shelves. But she wants quite skinny shelves on these, because they're going to be bookshelves, and she wants to maximise the space. So yeah, we're not going to be doing like floating chunky shelves. These are just going to be on battens in there to get as many shelves as she can in as possible. So yeah, we're going to do that this afternoon / tomorrow. So, oh, and I have got a few kitchen doors to put on as well. So I know I'm not showing too much detail in this video because obviously it's a whole week. There's a lot to get in. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along on the last week of the year just to show you what was left to do. So I hope you're enjoying it, and I'll see you guys over at the job. See you soon. Morning guys, so day 3 out of the 5. We're doing alright. To be honest with you, I thought I would have given up on this video by now, so if anyone's still watching, thanks, I really appreciate it, because even I thought I was going to give up recording it, but we're doing alright, day 3. So yeah, yesterday we got all them bits of trim and all that on, and the mule caps and all that, they all went on. And then I went down and bought like all the sheet goods that I needed, so that's all good. So today we're going to go in and we're going to build the alcove units. They're going to be quite tall, they're going to be 900 tall. They're not going to be the deepest because one, the alcoves aren't very deep anyway. I think they're only about 380mm deep. But then also there's a socket on one side. I need to talk to them about what they want to do with that, because annoyingly there's a socket right in the way. And it's going to fall, like, I'll show you properly when we get there, but it's going to fall sort of half on, half off one of the units, unless I take the units back to account for it. So, I don't know. To be honest with you, I haven't given it a lot of thought yet, but I will do today. I'll think about how to get rid of that. And then we sorry. Sorry. And then we need to put some shelves in, so she's got one of them as bookshelves. I did give her the option of having the thicker shelves, same money, but she's like, no, I want the thinner shelves because then I can get more in there. So yeah, fair enough, that's all right. So I think we worked out we're going to get 4 shelves in there, just so she can fill them up with books. So yeah, so they're going to be MDF shelves on a timber batten, and they're obviously going to be painted in to match the walls or whatever colour she's going for. Sorry, I'm really not with it this morning, am I? Still got this cold. It's getting there. It's not too bad. We are slightly feeling better now. But yeah, so that's it. I'm going to stop waffling because I keep on doing this massive long waffle in the van every morning. But we're going to get our way over there and then get a crack on with this. The lighting's not the best in the room. It's a dark green room, and the lighting's not great at the minute anyway. This camera's doing a fantastic job of brightening everything up, but it's actually pretty light today. It's pretty miserable and dark, but it's not supposed to rain, which is good because obviously I need to do a lot of cutting outside. Don't want to be cutting up MDF inside their house. Yeah, anyway, listen, I'm going to stop waffling. Let's go over to the job. I'll see you there. Morning guys. So Thursday, we're making it there, we're getting there, we're getting through the week, we're doing well. We got that other job all finished up yesterday. Still a little bit croaky, feeling much better today. The nose is a bit clearer, still got a little bit of snuffle in there, but we're a lot clearer. But yeah, anyway, I got that job all finished yesterday, so that's all good. So that's that one. That's a big relief off. That one's been going on for a little while, so it's good to get to the end of these jobs, you know, especially this close to Christmas, just to get it all ticked off. So we are on our way to our next job that we're not going to get finished before Christmas, but we knew that anyway, but I just want to give it a bit of a push. So it's the one a few videos ago where I fitted the shower panels. If you remember that one, we're back on that job. Since then, I've been in there, I've fitted a load of flooring and all that. So we're just going to put some skirtings around today, get some of their doors back on. They're reusing the old doors, but with new furniture on it. And then I've obviously got a decorator to come in, and he's going to be touching them all up. So yeah, skirtings, bits and pieces, really, to be honest with you. So we're just going to get as much done as we can just before Christmas, just so when I come back in the new year, I've had a real good head start on it. So that's us for the next 2 days. So I'll see you over there as normal, and we'll get into it. Morning guys, we have made it to Friday morning, Friday the 22nd of December, and I'll be honest with you, I didn't think I was going to make it this far this week. I honestly thought I would have given up by now. Probably yesterday I thought I would have made it too, but hey, look, I'm in the van and I'm on my way to the job. To be fair, if I didn't go today, I wouldn't be letting the customer down, because this is an ongoing job that's going to roll into next year. I'm purely going in today just to give myself a little bit of a head start for next year. I've got 2 doors to put on, that's it, and they've already been hung. And they've come off, like they're pre-existing, they've come off and they need new furniture put on them. So I haven't really got a massive amount to do today. I'm only going to work till 12 at the latest, if not before that, because I've got a little bit of Christmas shopping to do. Just a little tiny bit left to do. I've been a good boy, I've got most of the stuff, we've just got a couple of little bits to grab. So I'm going to do that, I'm going to pop into town after and do that. But yeah, we'll head over there, get them couple of doors on, and then I'm going to have a little Christmas chat with you guys. I'll see you over there. There we go guys, we did it. We've made it to lunchtime on the 22nd. That's this week wrapped up. I hope you like this video. I know there's not really a lot of like actual carpentry content in there, but I just wanted to share the last week and get this video done for you guys, just so I could show you what I was up to. But yeah, we've made it. We probably could have done a bit more work, but you know, we've done what we've done. The customer has given me a lovely bottle of case of beers there, so I'm going to go away, I'm going to drink them whilst editing this video. So if the edit's a little bit off, you know, blame the customer, blame Bob, not me. No, I'm only joking. They're going to go down a treat over Christmas. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there guys. I'm going to ask you guys to do me a massive favour. I know that we're working our way through the fruit bowl at the minute, but we're going to deviate slightly, being as it's Christmas. So if you can write the word jingle bells in the comments, and then I know who's watched this far into the video and who hasn't, really helping me out doing that. So yeah, if you can do that for me, that'd be great. If you've got any questions, hit me up in the comments, or I'd love it if you just wrote Merry Christmas, you know, something like that. Be nice, you know, it's that time of year. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me this year. We've done really well actually. The numbers have gone up massively, and I'm starting to see so many of you guys repeatedly comment in the comments. So yeah, I just want to thank all of you guys for all the support you've given me this year. This channel has grown way quicker than I thought it ever would have done, so I really appreciate each and every one of you. But I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to go and have a beer and edit this video just so I can get it out, so you guys have got something to watch. Take it easy guys, I'll see you in the new year. Cheers. Cheers.